In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly change out the EZL module in my 1994 Mercedes S420. Let's get started. First things first, we need to head back to the car and disconnect the battery. Battery terminal is a 13mm. So now that the battery is disconnected, we need to come back to the module and unplug everything off of it. There's going to be 4 connectors and 1 vacuum line. Once everything's removed off the module, we can go ahead and grab a 10mm socket with an extension. Once the 3 nuts are removed, you can go ahead and lift the module out of there. Once the module is removed, you need to go ahead and wipe up any of the remaining thermal paste that was left over. Alright, once all the thermal paste is finally wiped off of the car, it's time to go grab the new module that you're going to install. Before installing the new module, you need to go ahead and clean off the old thermal paste and reinstall some new. So when cleaning off the old thermal paste, I'm just going ahead and using this razor, lightly scraping it off, and then get some rubbing alcohol and a towel and wipe the rest of it off here. Alright, I got some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up cleaning this module and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, finished up cleaning up the module here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a new thin layer of some thermal paste onto it. I'm gonna go ahead and get a glove on. You can just use your finger. Get a decent glob in the middle. Spread it out. You want to try to stay as even as possible. So you're going to want it to look kind of like that right there. A thin layer across the entire bottom of it. Alright, so let's make our way back out to the car and reinstall the module now. Pretty much straightforward, just to reverse what you did taking it out. Reinstall the 3 bolts. Make sure to hand tighten them down evenly and then snug them at the end. Okay, once all three bolts are snug, you can go ahead and re-plug in all the wires. So I'm pretty sure it's 2 ignition wires, crank sensor wire, knock sensor wires, and then there's the vacuum line for the intake. Okay, once all that's reinstalled, you can go ahead and hook the battery back up. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and make sure there's nothing in the way when starting it up. Alrighty, let's go ahead and fire up. So as you guys can see, changing out the EZL module really isn't that hard of a job. Other than that, thanks for watching.